Em vừa cũng như thế.
Hello everybody. Today I will show you about the face detection technology, which is known as the future technology. Let's move on to my introduction. My name is Khôi Nguyên. I am studying at Kham High School and I am grade 11. So, what is the face detection? Basically, face detection is that machine that you code that can that can take a picture or will film you and detect how many face and which face is you. And next is my progress in face detection technology. On my first and second week, I came up with idea and make a plan about how to make face detection. And the third and the final week that I code in Python and make the presentation about yeah. So the next is some key features of face detection. So there are many features, but I think face detection have the main three features. First is accuracy. Face detection is have high precision in recognizing face or like it can help people to find out, like help police to find out criminal. And the next feature is the speed to process image quickly for efficient user experience. And the final is the real-time processing that enable immediately respond to application like security or surveillance. The next is the implementation of face detection algorithm. There are three main of them. First is traditional computer vision method, like hair cascade. The second is deep learning based detector, like OpenCV, CNN, and the final is using real-time face detection with DLIP. So, the first traditional computer vision method what is the basic one. Is have the fastest speed, but is not so good at the accuracy. However, the deep learning based detector and using real-time face detection are high accuracy, but the speed is so slow. There are some future applications of face detection technology. The first is the security. Is enhancement through facial recognition for real-time monitoring of public space. The second is healthcare, like when you use a face detection, that the machine that can remember your face and maybe like it can tell a doctor whenever you get
The head itch
Yeah.
or stomach itch,
yeah,
like that.
you need help.
Okay. You have trouble with your
The
health.
third is the personalized marketing. Like there are some strategy tailored to customer need based on facial recognition data. And the final is a smart device. Like an iPhone. When you use an iPhone, you need a Face ID. It's one of the use of face detection. So, do you have any question about my presentation?
Okay. English, please.
Oh, shit. Here are my code about face detection. So generally, there are some steps about how to film you and detect your face.
So can you run the program and see the result?
Here, I already run the program.
Yes, it's your face.
Yeah,
And I see somebody else behind you.
yeah.
So scared. Okay, so Nguyên, could you please move to here and let's see. Can Nguyên program can detect Nguyên face? Yes. This is one and this is two. Yes, I want. Okay, two of you. Okay, thanks, Nguyên. Okay, can you explain the logic of your code and some algorithms you use at this program?
Okay, the first I import CV2 and also load the model is the hair calculate because I use this because it's run the fastest and I don't want it's too much accuracy. It's just like a mirror. And the third is I open a default camera and the zero is like a camera on a computer. Here, the loop here is that is first when it's film, it's like you take many pictures in without a second, in a second, so that I use the infinite loop here to make the frame and about the red. And there's some condition. If the red is not like a frame, is not on, so that it will break. Here I choose. This code here is like convert from like a normal BGR to a grayscale color. Here is about the face. First is the grayscale, and the next is scale factor. Like it will remove the picture every 10%, and it will take a picture of that.
Okay.
So next, the mean neighbor. This about the accuracy and detect the face. If it's too hard, it will have more accuracy, but sometimes it lose someone's face.
If that miss show the face that recognize, and I want you to show the logic that you addition the face detection, like if someone move into the camera and the face detection number is +1, you see it, and could you show me just logic?
Here, first is the face that is a rectangle. This green rectangle here.
Okay.
And the second here is will count the number of how many faces in the frame.
You mean how many rectangle you have in your frame?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and do you have any excellent logic that you want to show?
Like my code is so basic.
Just basic.
Yes.
Okay, that's enough for you because you turn 16 years, so you can improve in the future. Okay.
Yeah.
So and I think for this example you can use YOLO, IOLO, like
Yeah.
Nguyên,
Yes.
and you can use for face detection. But I think it's not simple as your code. Okay.
Yes. Like my computer is I used to use YOLO or face recognition, but my computer is not too great.
Okay,
So-
it failed. Okay, I copy. But I see sometimes you recognize a ghost behind you. You're so scared. Okay.
Like
No,
Yeah.
just kidding.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Okay. Okay, thank you for your presentation. Congratulations.